Hello again, my name is Sanjay Khatri and I welcome you all at the YouTube channel of CCB India. Some of the ballet parents of our academy have been requesting us to be regular on our YouTube channel and help the children on their ballet doubts. So this is a small announcement here I'm making that we will be regular on our YouTube channel now onwards, and we will be helping the children on their ballet inquiries or ballet doubts. To write me a ballet doubt, please send me an email on sanjaykhatriballet@gmail.com. You can also see this email ID in the description below, or you can drop a comment in the comment section under the video. Now, to write us a ballet doubt or ballet inquiry, you don't have to be the student of CCB or you don't have to be the part of CCB. You can be anywhere in the world. You can still write us a ballet doubt and we'll try our best to resolve it through the YouTube in an explained way. Meanwhile, I prepare next video. You can keep the kids motivated and inspired by showing some of my students' interviews and their dance pieces on the YouTube channel of CCB India. You can show them Prince Sharma, who got 100% artistic scholarship in Washington DC with the training of just 1 year. You can show them Arushi Bhargava. Of course, everybody knows her in CCB. All the kids, they love her dancing. You can show them Joya Singh, who has been training with us from last 3 years. And then there is Bhuvi Dhiman. She joined us in 2013 since we opened the studio in Gurgaon, and she performed this year her first Padede of Kautilya. Then you can also show them Sanvi Bhatnagar, who has been our student from 5 or 6 years now, and she performed Pakita Padede last year. Then we have Rahul Channa, Tapti Jain, Punendu Das, Shivam Bahuguna, Anshi Taneja. These are many students we have in CCB. You can show their interviews and they are sharing their experiences. Listening to their experiences, it will be a great experience for the children, so they can have an inspiration, they can see somebody upon, and they can get inspired. After all, art is born out of inspiration, as Mikhail Beresnikov said. In the end, I would request everyone to subscribe our YouTube channel and please write us your ballet doubt or ballet inquiries. Thank you so much.